I've got. Yeah, I'm here. So. It says. Now, put one foot here. Step around. Okay? Okay? One foot left. Yeah. Grab onto this. Look. Left hand.
Whoa.
Okay?
Like volcanic rocks fallen off, right?
Yeah. That's exactly it. It was a volcanic cliff.
What the heck is this? Boy. So at that stop,
Huh?
at that,
So there is our first stop.
there.
Then another set, and then another step. Okay, with me here. Small steps, okay? Even if you feel confident, small steps. And always use your hands.
Could you repeat it?
I'll do the ordering.
I'll do.
I'll
Okay,
do
Nira, this is. Now this you need to focus, okay? What is the off use cliche? Lock in.
Lock in.
Hold up. Hold up. There was one Alex Honnold interview. He was saying where he was free soloing up Yosemite, okay? It's like they're not very dense.
They're not, in Hollow, they're very light in
Yeah.
terms of...
Because they're called tough. TUFF.
Tough. Tough.
Yeah, they're actually TUFF. You know what it
These rocks are so tough.
so
These rocks are like.
I thought it was Newark.
No. New York is not bad.
So here I took them on the wrong way. We came up here and went down this way.
Oh.
And it was so tough that getting back was a nightmare.
Tough.
Getting back on these is always hard,
Tough.
Recharged.
No, it is 30 minutes.
Conspired.
It is 30
Inspired.
Conspire.
I will be making I know this is happening.
Because you said conspire, I'm making this longer than it should be.
No.
Good as a party.
Yeah. Steps.
So where are you going to go from there?
You can climb up. Oh, no, I wish I had that. Thank you, darling.